Welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add terms and conditions to StanStore. All right. So first up, go ahead and go to the left panel. At the bottom left, we have settings. Okay. Just click on it. Now, once it loads, go to these tabs at the top. All right. Now go ahead and click on payments. Click. Now in here, as you can see, at the bottom, we have enable terms and conditions. It says here, when enabled, customers are required to agree to the terms and conditions before the sale can be completed. Okay. The agreement checkbox will appear on each checkout page. So just go ahead and enable this one. Now it says here, please update missing fields. So scroll down, as you can see here, just go ahead and enter the required information. Finish everything right here. All right. Once everything is filled right here, it will say at the top, saved. Okay. Before, when you're done editing, you can go ahead and scroll all the way down and just click on save right here. But now it's automatic. That's basically how you do it. That's how you add terms and conditions here to your StanStore. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.